प्यारे बच्चों, टुडे वी स्टडी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एल्कीन. Basically, alkene is carbon-carbon double bond. In alkene, first three members are gaseous form. In carb member number 4 to carbon member number 14 are present in liquid state. Higher member of alkene are solid state. Basically, first we example ethene. Ethene is colorless, faint sweet smell, insoluble in water. So first we study the property of boiling point. Boiling point is increase when increase molecular mass of compound. When the molecular mass of compound increase, the boiling point is increase. Second is when a straight chain alkene having high boiling point as comparison to branch chain alkene. Simple example हमने लिया 1, 2, 3, 4 but 1 in. Here example is 1, 2, 3 2 methyl propene. Both are These two are chain isomer of alkene. So due to chain, this boiling point is less as comparison to this compound having high boiling point. Another is we study the chemical properties of alkene. Basically, chemical properties of alkene due to pi electron. Due to pi electron, alkene is electron rich system. So due to electron rich system, alkene show addition reaction and sometime also show free radical substitution reaction. First we study addition of hydrogen. When a alkene add hydrogen in presence of catalyst nickel, palladium or platinum, its form saturated compound या हाइड्रोकार्बन, एल्केन हाइड्रोकार्बन. सिंपली क्या बोल सकते हैं, एल्केन हाइड्रोकार्बन. एंड द एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन एल्कीन, in this process name is hydrogenation process. In hydrogenation process, unsaturated alkene convert into saturated alkane. Second is addition of halogen. Addition of halogen is a type of electrophilic addition reaction. First example, alkene react with bromine in presence of CCl4 due to formation of vinyl vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide. In this process, cyclic halogen ion form. In this process, formation of cyclic halogen ion. So in this process, these two bond, these pi bond are break and one bromine attach here and one bromine attach here. तो CH2Br CH2Br क्या बन गया आपका सिंपल सा विसिनल डाइहैलाइड. It is a electrophilic addition reaction or in this process cyclic halogen ion formation. Next we study when in a alkene add bromine in presence of CCl4, its form dihalide alkane. It is a also test for unsaturation. अनसेचुरेशन का टेस्ट का सिंपल सा कि आपका कोई मॉलिक्यूल है अगर अनसेचुरेटेड है, डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, उसके टेस्ट के लिए हम इसका यूज करते हैं. तो सिंपल क्या होता है कि रेडिश ऑरेंज कलर ऑफ ब्रोमीन सॉल्यूशन इन CCl4 is disappear when bromine is add up to unsaturated side. when bromine is added in unsaturated site due to decolorization of bromine water, bromine decolorization of bromine solution in presence of CCl4, it is a test for unsaturation. Third example is addition of hydrogen halide, yeah, acid halide. Simple example, CH2 double bond CH2, when a alkene react with HBr to form alkyl halide, Simple example, CH2 double bond CH2 react with HBr to form CH2H CH3 CH2Br. It is alkyl halide. Another example is CH3 double bond CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2 react with HBr. It is 1 2 3. Prop 1 in react with HBr form 1 2 3. 2 bromo 2 bromo propane 2 bromo propane. So this is the formation of alkene to alkyl halide. In this process, use Marconic rule. Use Marconic rule. So in next class, we study Marconic and anti-Marconic rule. Thank you very much.